Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable reminders and notifications in Finch. Finch is a self-care and mental wellness app that helps users build healthy routines through gentle daily goals, reflections and encouragement from a virtual pet. To stay consistent and supported, Finch offers reminders and notifications that gently prompt you to complete goals, check in with yourself and take care for your Finch each day. In this guide, you will learn how to enable and manage reminders and notification in the Finch app step by step. So first, you need to open to your Finch app on your phone. And over here from the home screen, you need to select the three-line icon in the top left corner. Over here, scroll a bit down until you find this. Over here, select notifications just below the account. Over here, select enable push notification. And that is it. Enabling reminders and notification in Finch helps you stay connected to your self-care routine without pressure. These gentle prompts support consistency, awareness, and daily progress. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like and share. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.